How to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Welcome everyone, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To begin with, start by launching your Microsoft Teams application in your device. If you have not signed up into your account, make sure to sign up for your Teams. First step is to select a meeting. You can schedule a new one if you do not have any of the meetings scheduled, or just click on the already upcoming meeting. Tap on the Join option from here. Then select on Join Now. Once you tap on it at the very top in the dashboard, navigate to the Share option and click on it. Over here, in the presenter mode, you can select the Add Background option for you. To share the screen, you must tap on the option of Windows. Also, make sure to toggle on Include Sound. When you tap on Window, now select on the window that you wish to share. As you can see, currently I am sharing the screen in my Teams. To stop the screen sharing, head to the very top where you will find the pop-up of Stop Sharing Screen. Click on it to stop the screen share in your Microsoft Teams. And that is how you share your screen in Microsoft Teams. For some reason, if you cannot share your screen, it could be by the settings, by the admin of the meeting, or by the creator of the meeting. In that case, you can easily communicate with them regarding the permission of it. That's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.